What up, YouTube? Mr. Random here checking in, gang. So I got the rim soaking with some paint stripper, the citrus kind. Y'all see it bubble up. We got the majority of the paint off of the rims. So next, I'm gonna try to hit it with this pressure washer and see if we could get the remaining off. I took all the inserts out and everything. So let's see what happened, gang. Got me radiator and an AC condenser over there. I'm gonna hit as well. So y'all do me a favor, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, check us out. Coming back with plenty more. Let's get it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Crack a dawn, wake up in the morning. That's in my car trying to see where I'm going. And get a bottle and a cup I'm pouring. It's what I needed, like I was just on. Not to bother me, cause lately I'm gone. Ain't the same, I'm the only one new it. Changing with time like I got me me a rollie. Even if I had enough for a rollie, only spend it in for stuff that could owe me. Ass that's why I lean, I'm an OD. Cop a few houses, that's real estate police. Got me a double, my grandfather told me. Rent the property, I'm trying to be loaded. Whole lot of green color shame be more. When I'm hurting, I don't even show it. My enemies me watching, I can't let them know it. Smile on my face is a cover up. Kinda happy with my money up. After the game, it's double or nothing. Flipping the money, gymnastic or something. The money turning into your laundry. About to be rich, slowly but surely. Somebody holding a millions for me. Roll to the richest a little bit above me. All of these people, they really be zombies. Each would lie, but that ain't my problem. Whatever you do, you know they gon' follow. They betting on you like it was the lotto. Weight on your shoulders, but who be the blocker? Going forward like Jeremy Shockey. Watch me, a little bit cocky. Make it moves before we get shocky. And I will be on top. You see, and I will be on top. You see, they acting like they coach, teaching but they broke. Never had the hope, wrong living. Teaching people the wrong mission. Misguided, now they lost distance. You talk too much, all they did was listen. Wrong person talking, some don't get it. They'll break it down just to make it cripple. When dreams bigger than a hungry hippo, gotta keep the rhythm. Gotta make a profit. There's too many options. Get it on drive and sit back and watch. Just start steady rising. Investing, save all the stressing. God give my later on blessings. Money scratching, far as the desert. Day present, just resurrected. We gon' stack it on top. Everything on lock. Ain't losing no spots. From block to block. Cause we big bosses. Can't carry no losses. Live it up every month we floss. We gon' ball, assist with the boss. I'm from New Orleans, yeah. And I will be on top. You see, and I will be on top. You see, notice how I do, yeah. You see me at the top. Yeah, probably by the end of 2020.